Hey. Hmm. Okay. Last time I was trying to get a shader working. I think I'll be deleting all of that code, and I'll delay the displacement work until another day. So I learned a bit of stuff, but I can see that I'll have to learn more. And I'd rather get some gameplay going now. Hey, you know what? I could. Am I able to add a ASCII to the title? Guess not, whatever. Hey, D-Crew! Oh, right, I did a bug report there. Okay, anyway. Let's undo all of this. Or some of this. Hey, Lightning. Yeah, let's Really? Okay, I don't care about this. I'm gonna discard all of that code. This, yeah, no need for that. Let's get rid of the checker stuff. Whatever. What is changed here? Perfect, let's undo. So all the work from last stream, let's just undo everything. Hex grid. This I need to keep. Okay, that's an update for Monogame. Perfect. So what is the mistake? Stupid mistake, but this time I haven't found it. Yeah. You wouldn't dare. Time mouse. Oh, so I undid the changes that give hex ratio. Hey, by the way, how are you guys doing? Am I using time right now? Yeah. Okay, let's pass time. Perfect. Game time. Dot total. Is that what I did earlier? Sick, that sucks. Hey, that's fine. Total milliseconds. Let's run this to make sure it doesn't crash. Then I'll bring my... Oh, okay, this is still the hex shader. Oh, did I not merge this? Perfect. Wait, what do you mean? I need to know if the hex problem is caused either by not or not from you. What do you mean from me? Well, right now there's no resolution where 1-1 with the screen. Hey, D crew. Did you not see this grid before? Yeah. Yeah, we can start to do some really sick animations with this. Yeah. I don't know when we'll use that. Yeah. 180p. My stream is also 180p. Okay, well, okay. How do they name their things in Oni? Let's see. Man, that looks nice. Wait, where is this? Feed fix. New feature. So I guess I keep the same branch then. I'll try your branch in a sec. This is really only an update, right? Oh. Wait, wasn't that a bug fix? Hmm. Wait, what did I do that for? So... That's weird. Why did I do that? If it's the same code as what I see online. Whatever. Let's undo. Okay, so there's nothing else here. Perfect. Okay, I'll publish that. Hey, Tuck, what's up? I'm trying to create a game that is a multiplayer tower defense. I'm working with D-Crew and Lightning. Did I already tell that to you? Otherwise, what's up is I'm learning something called Penduck. Maybe you already know what it is, but check that. Penduck. A universal document converter. So you can use Penduck to convert something into pretty much anything. Or yeah. And this is really cool because I can write markdown files and then convert them into HTML or PDF or ebook or whatever, EPUB. So I can use this to create my own static site generator, pretty much. Tipora, no. Tipora. Markdown editor, markdown reader. Yeah, I don't really need that. I could use that, but most likely I just use Vim. How does it work under the hood? Features. Hello, can I? Or am I there already? Is that open source? Pretty cool. Is that your site? Yeah. The reason you'd rather use Panduck instead of Tempora is because Panduck is open source. And then if you want something like that, you can use like another editor instead of like closing yourself. I didn't try yet on my end. Yeah. Okay. So okay, I need to backtrack and tell you why I'm saying that. So I'm learning Panduck because I found a guy that is talking about knowledge base. Okay, here's the site, and it's really interesting the way that he thinks. Hello, friends. An open knowledge. So what he's saying is that right now, the way the web is designed is destroying knowledge. People, for example, like let's say you build a site. It's really bad to start linking to a lot of other websites. You can have like really a lot of dead links after a while, and also Google hates that. Like when you start to link to a bunch of places. So it makes that people have to make websites that don't link to outside. And also like the data format is not meant to last. Anyway, so like he goes into like more details. Progressive knowledge app. So the idea is that you should write your knowledge using Markdown. And then use Panduck to generate. And he has a Twitch, so you can go on Twitch and he explains a lot of like why, like the decisions. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to learn Panduck and see where it brings me. And he's teaching a course right now every week, every day. And today was structured data and knowledge source. And they were really cool ideas. It's interesting because we're in a sort of era of knowledge, but it's really hard to share knowledge. Like things are so complex everywhere. One thing that's really cool with Panduck is, okay, I guess your other thing does the same, but yeah, anyway. So what's up? That's what is up. Like I'm trying to learn that. Okay, let's try this. Did I change the branch and it brought the changes with me? That's interesting. Why does resume not work? I guess your thing works. Is it normal that it didn't react right away? You see? Anyway, yeah, sounds good. Okay, let's do a pull request. Um, what did I do? I guess I really didn't have time earlier. Ah, because the first merge was only the grid, no animation. Okay, that makes sense. Perfect. Okay, pull that. Merge. Perfect. Okay. Okay, gameplay. How do we do this? Okay, let's go. Let's show what I'm working on. Okay, so we now have the board. I'm planning on having a side panel here where you can select a path and see the different creeps that you're gonna send. Creeps that you're gonna send. Hey. Would it be interesting to be able to build this, like what you're sending? You start with a default combo, and that's the combo for every path. And then you play, and then you're able to modify the combo instead of having to do it manually. So you get things that spawn that you're able to hit to shift things around or to upgrade something or... Did I? I see it here in your branch. Oops. Why does it not like when I... On master, let's see. I see it on master too. What's the merge issue that you're seeing? But do they exist in your branch? Okay, they do. Well, create the merge request and I'll see what's up. Hey, what do you guys think? Should the players be able to change the path manually, like dynamically, like as the game play? Or should you have to do things in the game to control your combo? I'm trying to think of the gameplay with this. So things spawn somewhere on the grid, then you put your tower next to it and kill it. Okay, whatever. Masters, I guess. Oh. Whoops, what did I do? Ah, that explains it. Let's copy that. Undo those changes. Oh, that's the D crew. Okay, never mind. So I want to use. Okay, I see. Remove all of that. Now we're there. Perfect. Okay, let's create a new branch. Oops. And we call this core, right? Oh, I'm gone. Okay, and then we use. I'll just call it core, whatever. Core update mono game. Okay. What's the trick to get this to not do... And if I do... Oh wait. If I do squash and merge... whatever. Hey, we're on the latest mono game. Man, it would be faster to just write the git commands. Why does it do that? Okay. Restore. Hey, by the way, welcome everyone that's watching the stream. Okay. Player. Right, so I should read the code that you wrote. Do I play any card games? I do. Though it's been a while now, but in the past year I've played Magic's The Gathering Arena, MTG Arena. That's pretty good. I don't know if it counts as a card game, but I like Minion Masters. Oh, I've played a really cool mobile game. What was it called? I think I've uninstalled it because I beat it, but... Well, I forgot how it's called. Really nice game though, a sort of cultist type of game. Right, it's called Underhand. Yeah, Magic, The Gathering has a PC version, and it's pretty good, even if you play for free. If you guys want to try a cool game, try this one. It's really well made and there's no ads. Okay, is there... So there's a merge conflict. What? Can I resolve from here? That's fun. Oh, that's it. Is that really all there is? Oh no, okay. Huh. There's one game I really wanted to like, but and I did like it, but then I never played it more. It's called the Witcher game was. Hey, what was it called? Right, Gwent. That game was fun. But I played it like twice and then I never played it again. Hey, welcome back. Okay, I'll go and fix your branch, I guess. Perfect. That's annoying, always getting this back. I wonder if I'm supposed to git ignore that. I think I'll do a git rebase. No need for I on master. Come on. So that's that's the incoming. So that's what I see on master, I believe, and then that's what's coming from the current branch. Players needed. Hey, sounds good. Is that a encoding problem? Okay, system, I believe we need, right? I'll move that down there. Framework, we got that, so all those lines we don't care. Extended, it's not used, so I guess we... Is it allowed to remove something? Okay, that's fixed. What is that? So those are from me, and it doesn't seem to interact with anything else, so that's good. What commit am I on? I'm in your branch, but I'm rebasing on masters. Oh, are you still working on that? Oh yeah, that's fine. I'm starting from your first commit, and then after it should work for the rest. Wait, actually... Yeah, merge rebase thing starts. It takes all your commits and moves them on top, and then it asks you to fix the first few ones. Usually depends. I feel like I can keep that. How come there's no menu here? There's no menu because I moved it to global, right? Da da da. Or I didn't. I see what you meant. You meant no. This is so bad. Okay. But I don't need gameplay now. Hey, Daedal. Current mode equals menu. How's the game building? Pretty good. Is a grid CPU draw hex supposed to be... Yeah, it's supposed to be up here, I think. Okay, I think now we're fixed. Let's run this to check. After begin, yeah, perfect. How's the game building? We got some really cool effects. I don't know if you saw my shader last time, but here you go. Hey, banana. Check that. This is Magic the Gathering Arena soundtrack. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's do rebase. Continue. Is that fine? Oh yeah, I didn't notice, but you need to set that up. So I should cancel everything I'm doing? Okay, well, right now what I'm doing is a rebase, so if you're still editing, I should cancel. So this is what you want, right? 6.6? Oh yeah, you'll be able to rebase. Okay, I see. So gameplay, we don't want that. Menu, we don't want that. But this one we keep up here. More conflicts? Why does it do that? Oh, actually, this whole thing gets deleted except grid. More. Damn, we'll never win. Oh, we did it. Okay, well, I hope you're not mad, because get ready. Get push. Fuck you. That's pretty much what it does also, so that's a perfect naming. Oh, that's fun. Perfect. So you're gonna edit every commit to change the name? That's fun. This one should have underscore. Hey, did that still the... if I look at commits... Huh. So it doesn't even show... oh, it does. That and that. Wow, it gives everyone that touched that commit. Really cool. Okay. Why? It shouldn't. Okay. Origin, feed. It shouldn't matter. If you want to rebase interactively, you can pull the branch, force pull rather, and then do like git rebase. What was it? I head and X amount of, like, I don't know how many commits we have, but 9, something like head 9, I think. Okay. Because I think if you do this, no, that's not the name. This. That's odd, I forgot. How did I forget that? Man, I wrote that just the other day. But the comment is pretty far. Oh, wait, I'm so bad. There we go. Hey, Valk. Sion mains for a club tag and saw your comment saying... which server? Yeah, the clans needs to be restructured, I think. EOS. Okay, EOS contact Kanan. But yeah, even for NA, I'm the one in charge, but I barely log in anymore. Yeah, we have so many members too. On NA, we have like 150 members in the over more than one club. Are you in the Discord?
I am a robot.
Hey, thanks for a follow, Valk. No, okay. Who to contact? Under Reddit, there's a thread that is pinned. The person that created that thread, that's who you need to contact. Yeah, Kanan with the underscore. IGN, I believe, is the same, but without the underscore. Or not. Maybe Legion Elok can add you. That guy has that IGN. Legion, here I'll write it. Oh wait, I'm checking the wrong server. Oops. Yeah, exactly. Add Kanan on NA, EOS, I mean. Caenen. Yeah, and then if you do replays interactive this, you get access to all of those. Oh, that's funny. Eh? Git pool. Can I do this? Git reset. I forgot to commit your commits. Man, how do I reset? Git reset hard. Perfect. So now it's ready to be merged, right? Yeah, okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, what am I doing now? Now I go back to the master branch. And I think I'm ready to code. Now I pull, perfect. No, I already have all the changes, like I see. Now I do this. Boom. No, I don't. Okay. Let's run the game and see what happens. Ooh, that's so fancy. It's wrong by a lot. Wait, let's change the line. Wait, which one is it? What? Oh, you see that? It's down here. Wait, does it mod? Is there a modulo in here? Wait, this thing is like constantly drawing test. Bum dum. Whoa. Pixel to hex. This. Okay, that's odd. Okay, so you're getting this, which I'm assuming is the mouse. Instead of calling get state, we should call input helper dot new mouse dot position. Yeah, I'm about to see what's going on here. So this multiply vector with matrix. Here you're able to simplify that to vector. Okay. In other words, this returns QR. Hmm. Five, 3. Five, 0. Minus 0? Is that why? Let's undo that. Five, 5. You see, it's not the same coordinate. That's, I think, what your bug is. I think you're drawing... What do you do with this result, actually? Converts the point to hex space 124. Okay. $125 rounds. Here's hexagon. Okay. checks if it's in bounds. Yeah, that I already figured out all of that. What I find that is odd Okay, I see. What I find really odd is how this... Okay, wait. I have an idea. Let's breakpoint that right there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's the 6 that we asked for. Boop. This is 5 by 4. How many? This is 6 by 6. 5 is the last one. 4 is not the last one. What? There's some wrapping, right? I don't see it there. Oh, wow. Yeah, exactly. That's like classic. Six hours on this. Yeah. It's still wrong? Okay. So what was cube to axial? What? Here's what I don't understand. So 5, 2 is the coordinate of that one right there. The sensitivity. Oh, okay. Perfect. Seemed pretty sensible. Nice. I'm surprised that it actually looked like it worked earlier. This hex grid is different. That looks perfect. Okay, what's the... How do you determine the size? 2f times size 30. Yeah. 60. Is that 60 pixels? Also, there's something that will be useful with the lightning technique. If we want to do some really fancy stuff, like when a path loops on itself, we could do some special grid tiles for special attributes or something. 104 apparently. Is it not? How big is mine? Alright, it's not like a square. So roughly 170. Oh, we don't use the same orientation. Ah. My preferred one is this, I think. Flat sides. I think pointy looks better. Here's one without pointy. I don't know. What do you think? Is this better? Nice. Do you think it looks better like this or like this? Hey, D-Crew. He's gone. Okay, well, here's the thing. Yeah. It's so hard to spot those errors. Uh, um, this looks perfect. Yes, this is looking really legit. There's one thing that I like with this orientation is that it's flat with this side. So I can have these line up exactly on the edges. The other way, to get it exactly, you need to be on the top. I don't know if that's something to consider or not. Oh, this is back. Okay, that's good. I don't know how to change my shader though, to make it work. I thought I could just reverse this, but I don't think it works. Whoa. Yeah. I mean, I could create a whole game with just a shader to do all the graphics. Yeah. I don't know if I only need to reverse this math. Is that a thing? Or X? Da-da. Oh, this is here. This, I think we do on hold. Da-da. Let's try to reverse the math. See what happens. What did I do? Wait, what? Float 2, float 2. How is this forbidden? Oh, because the parenthesis is there. Okay. Come on. This. Okay. Yeah. I don't think I need to do anything. Is that it? No. That kind of looks cool though. Whee. And this thing rotates and wow. Hey Land 4. How are you doing? How did I mess this up? What if I bring the other thing back? Oops. Same here. Whoa. Man, that's so fun. Bum, bum. It's so weird the way it fills those shapes. So, wait, what? What do I need to invert? I could have sworn it was like really brain dead simple. The first line splits the space into a grid of squares. 1 by square root of 1. Think of the grid squares as containing the non-staggered rows. Okay. So if I rotate this the other way, how come it doesn't work? Three, two. Equal n in order to perfectly fit the staggered hex. Code. Into the round function. Two vex concatenated together. We're sticking them in a single vec4 in a single line. Okay. Did I forget to do that? 1.5. Is that the issue? Did I bring this back? No, perfect. Hey, close enough. Just kidding. Okay. In other words, I don't want that to be there. I think it was just a matter of reversing them. Hey, it worked! Yay! Wait, did I do all this for nothing? Yeah, there's only one change. And so what is this? Does that matter? Oops. What happens if I just leave that there? Huh. Whoa, that's so cool. Yeah, there's so much potential of like things that can be done just by modifying a bit of math. Man, you know what would be nice? You bind all of those variables to input variables, and then you put a UI to just play with the settings. Maybe I should spend some time on that at some point. Here, I'll save this. Comment that back in. Oops, wrong way. Okay, how do I put a setting for this? Is there a trick to conditionally call this or this without using an if statement? How do I decide which one to extract, X or Y? Hey Nathan. User input? I forgot what I meant by that. Rip. Okay, here, check that.
I am a robot.
Hey, thanks for the follow. Wait, what? Did I break it? Oops. Right, I didn't put that back. Okay, perfect. How do we toggle between each one using an input variable? Okay, welcome back. Kevin, nice. Hey, how did you find my stream? Also, how is your project right now? Discord, nice. Oop. Oop. Check that, we now have coordinates. Yeah, this is StarCraft. I'm starting to prefer this orientation. Yeah. Okay, what time is it? I've been streaming for 1 hour. Okay, now I guess it's time to get serious and start doing some work. Don't you think this looks better? Yeah, I don't think it's bugged anymore. Yeah, you will have to do a .NET restore for those errors. Let's go back to the other one. Oop. Oh, oops. You do a .NET restore space platforms core and then what? I need to explore ideas like that at some point. What did I do? Oops, yeah, right, I forgot this one. If you run the game, I believe it will do a restore on its own. Okay, so now using your grid stuff. Trying to think. Is there a function to get the center of the currently highlighted one? The currently hovered one? Okay, I think I can use that to do something really cool with the shader. Yeah. Pixel wise. No. I don't really care about the pixels. I care about... Yeah, actually I care about the pixel, exactly. Do this. .NET restore platforms core. Poop. And then do platforms DirectX. Poop. Okay. Where's the enum in a class? Then you need to do class name dot your enum. Wait, this one line uses 3 imports? Is that real? Okay, only 2. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Okay, hexagon grid. I can give you my pixel to hex. Yeah. Okay, a question. Let's say that I take my pixel to hex, and then I do hex to pixel. What do I end up with? Is it the center of the X? Nice, okay. Hex to pixel, yeah. And also I want to see this one. This one does rounding, right? Yeah. Nice music. Yeah, I want to go from mouse to hex to mouse. Well, not to mouse, but to screen. But I don't think I'll do that. Okay. How do we code this game now? Okay, well, okay. Let's go in gameplay. Let's create a variable here. Let's do, what is this? Pool? I don't really care right now. List of, what is a hex? This hex grid. Where is it initialized? Fill hex grid. Ah, here, okay. So this is a list of hex. Let's do the same thing. List of hex. Okay, whatever. Let's call it like that. Yeah, whatever. Oops, wrong one. Okay. This one is using static. Oh, it's a static thing? Or where is it? Why? Hexagons. Perfect, that's what I wanted. Or should I just use the static syntax? No. Okay. Now I'm getting some lists. Let's add an input. Okay, hopefully I don't get any merge conflicts. Ah. What did I do in hexagon grid? Oh, you have a space here. I'm tempted to just stash and reapply, but whatever. Oh, did you remove it? Nice, okay. I can never find this function. Okay, I have this. Actually, I don't really want that. Grid. Comment that out. Comment that out. I might even. Okay. X's update input. Yeah. Okay, now I want to do something on click. Okay. I'll go copy the other one from game root. This. So this is going to be a click. Mouse. Where are you? Ah, keep. Mouse condition. Mouse button. Dot left. Nope. I can just do this. What CPU do I have? I think it's in my stream description. Let's see. Oh, that's me. Yeah, check the comp specs down there. Looks like my CPU is just an i5. I regret that CPU. I wish I went for i7. Yeah. I want to upgrade a whole lot of my equipment. But the problem is that my computer still works, so... So I just want to tough it out for as long as I can. And hey, Hayes, how are you doing? Yeah, it's like i5 4th generation, I think. Ryzen, lol, noobs. Who buys a Ryzen? Yeah. Okay. If I'm clicking something like that, I want to add you know what, if I'm clicking, okay, I need to convert the mouse position into hex coordinate. Oh, nice orientation. What team am I using? It's called the Apo team. Apos team. You go in VS Code and you can find it here. So that's my own custom made team. If you like red, I have red. Or green. I'm about to remake it in Vim. Then I can switch to NeoVim. Yeah. Yeah, welcome everyone. Yeah, I think there's no better team. There's a lot of contrast. The colors are really nice. Yeah. There's another team that's interesting, but I can't switch to it. But I sort of like it. Ocean Space. Wrong one. Team. Where's Oceans? This one is sort of nice too. But it's a bit too purple, maybe. Okay, now what do we do? Think about the gameplay. Yeah, too much color, probably. How many colors? 1, 2, 3. That's still a lot. Like, even my green one is not too bad, and red one. Like, I could see myself use this in some cases. Green one is nice. Gray is nice. Yeah, so what should you do? How do we get a playable game right now? We need to be able to place paths down. Yeah, okay. There's like one part of the gameplay that I'm not feeling just yet. It's just the whole concept of how do we send creeps down a path. I want to keep it simple, but have a lot of mastery to it. Oh, Ryzen is a competitor to Intel for CPUs? Oh, I need to learn back what's up with hardware. Okay, that sounds good. I have friends though that help me build my computers. Which groups? Troops. Okay, yeah, nice. Yeah. Which truth? Okay, here's what I don't like with this mechanic right now. It's how it's like the original mechanic was, or like what we were thinking was, you place a path, then you press a bunch of buttons, and then it can choose the combo of the creeps to be sent. But it feels like this gameplay is a bit too detached from the rest, where everything else is on the board. The one thing that's nice is the dynamic. How do you keep... is the game about building paths? Or should the game be about adapting? The first game, the game jam, was really interesting, where it's always the same units getting sent, the same creeps. But the game gets crazier and crazier. So maybe like you get units that spawn on the map that you kill, and then it adds to your path, but otherwise you never change. It's like what you're sending is immutable. And then maybe there are some things that can change the sorting on your creeps. What do you think, Lightning? Or like other people? Should there be like something that spawns? I don't know. Yeah, dynamic path. You like being able to change the creeps? Yeah, dynamic path. That would stay, but the creeps themselves could be always the same. Or like you build your creeps. So you could kill stuff to build your army, sort of. Do it. Okay, so first thing that we need to do is be able to place a path. So we use your thing to be able to add the paths to a list. We could do that too. Hey, peace, good night. Tomorrow I will most likely be streaming around 3 p.m. Yeah, there's another guy that's streaming at from 11 a.m. EST, Eastern Time, all the way up to 2 p.m. and I want to catch his stream for this week. It's the stream is called. Hey, where are you from? Norway, nice. I have a friend that lives there. He posts a bunch of really cool stuff on the Discord. Here's the stream that I'm gonna be watching tomorrow. That's the link. Pages, interesting. Hey, should this be a game of mastery here? Where you can, when like there's 3 in a row, like 3 circles, it upgrades to a bigger circle. 3 of creeps. So like you kill creeps and then maybe there's things that spawn that resorts your creeps. Okay. I'm trying to imagine a bunch of mechanics. Oh, that's how that works. Or not. What does frame 1 mean? Oh, it's the background, okay. I don't want to code too fast because when we start implementing, it's going to be harder to change. Maybe, or not. Okay, step 1, let's try to match your grid to my grid. The way my grid works is we receive a count. Where is it? Is this X? Yeah. Title amount. Okay, this should be a variable that I expose. Okay, fine, I'll code fast. Float count. This is like the most important one. Horizontal count, let's do that. Too slow? Horizontal count. Can I change this name? No. Wait, what? Oops. There we go. Okay, from here, let's add it. Parameters. Set value. I'll set it to 10. F. If I do 10, what happens? I'd rather have a float. Let's change that to like 20. See what happens. Hey, Lightning, can your algorithm do that? You give it a count like that, and then it determines the size of the grid. For example, here I put... Oh. What did I do? I put 20. I end up with 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's drop it back down to 10 or 5, just so I can count. Yeah, fill hex grid, but... Yeah, we need we should have the same one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's up with this extra space right there? Let's drop it down to 1. Man, that's so clean. The way the... Wait, what? Ah. Wait, what? Man, a freaking dog. That's so cool. Why? But why does it do that? So that's 1, then 2. What did I change that and that ends up doing that? I might keep it. Boom. So good. One, 2. I can't. Wait, what? That's a float. That's a float. I'm really confused. Is it that when I did this, it did the change? One, two. Where's the 4 coming from? How does it work? Like, I put 4 here. That should do the count, but it's not. Or it's doing something. Is it 4? 1, 2. When it was going the other way, other rotation, it was exactly 4 all the time. Let's show that. Oh, okay. Let's do that. You see, 1, 2, 3, and then half and half gives me 4. Okay, 1, 2. Wait, let's. One. Can I do this? Shift. 2. Roughly 3. Yeah, what is this? One, two, three, and then not even 4? Or am I supposed to count it here? Here I'm counting from this. Was that always the way the animation looked? No, it was much faster. Oh, is it because it was 10 here? And then the more you have, the faster it looks? Yeah, ah, that's cool. Yeah, it's the same animation, but it looks smaller. So you don't see all like that shiny... yeah, the distortion in the same way. Let's do 9. Yeah, so the mapping is not good. I'll have to modify this, I think, to so that the speed is based on the area to cover. Okay. If let's do a defined. Define. How did you call your thing? Enum. Where is it? Hex orientation. What is this? Oh, there it is. I wanted to see pointy and flat. Okay. So by default, which one is it? Oh, I can't see it because I removed it. Okay. Defined pointy equals false Okay. Yeah. Actually, I think I'll call it flat instead. That way I can have, oops, flat is going to be true. Or maybe this flat. Okay, now I can do if flat. And then how does this work? Just like that, okay. And if. Perfect. So if we want it to be flat, then this is flat. And what's the else? Else. Oops. Else should be that one. I mean, I might just do this, whatever. Or not. Or this. Yeah, sure. Okay. Same thing for up there. That's all. Oh no, that's up there also. I'll just copy this whole thing. If it will be used by a lot of other things, I think it's fine where it is, like in the utilities. I did say false. Yeah, flat. Yay! So it's already more fun to work with this. Flat, true. Or not, did I mess it up? Now it's pointy. That's not the right syntax or something. It's still pointy. Oh, oops. Oh, that's some good memes. What? Is that here? Wait, what? Where is it? Scope. Oh, is this a restricted? The TextMate thing thinks it's decimal. Why? Oh, that's cool. We can do this now. Oh, yeah. It thinks it's a number. Well, this one is a variable other read write. Oh, nice. It gives me why is this a number? I think it's a bug in the VS Code TextMate for C#. Probably should be a bug report. Can I reproduce it? C#. Yep. Is this where they put their TextMate stuff? Source. C#. Oops. Numeric, okay. Numeric decimal. This one. So this thing matches, or this one? Constant numeric decimal, let's see, yes. Wow. I don't know where the error is, or why they have 2 or 3 with 4. Okay, they have a few. But yeah, one of those matches with this way of this thing. Should I submit a bug report? 4,000. Yeah, I guess whatever. Yeah, what? Man, making a TextMate team is so annoying. It's so complex. Like, you're parsing something. I wonder if this is more complicated than the C# parser. Let's read this really fast. Okay, let's read that really fast. Source, compiler. I don't know if they call it analyzer. Core. Man, that's a lot of code right there. Oh, they broke their test? Oh, okay, no. What happens if I search for parse? Parser. Oh, that's fun. Huh. C# portable. Oh, that's a lot of code also. Oh, that's neat. That looks a bit like some code I might have written at some point. So yeah, that's why this thing is like that. I'm guessing their regex string matches that as a decimal. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. I mean, I'm hoping that the bug is there. I mean, I didn't do a bug report, but I'm hoping it's there because yeah, that other guy is gonna suffer. Do I go and submit a bug report with this code? It's so tempting. Yeah. I mean, can yeah, I think I don't care enough to submit a bug report. Also, I know that they're gonna switch to 3-sitter at some point. And maybe that's a restricted one, and I don't know it. Okay. So the way to place path, I think, is going to be to drag. So you drag on this, you draw your path. If you let go before you drag to the outside, the AI auto completes the path for you. The paths have a minimum size, so you can't just do a 2-tile path. How do we make the grid look good? So that it's not cropped like that. Like here there's a bunch of little... I think we're supposed to crop... yeah, a bit like that. So for this line, you crop at the half. And then for the top, you crop at the half. Or like aligned with this. Oh, C does not have bools. Right, so why is this not crashing? Or maybe it does. Bool. Where is the error? Why is this bad? Let's look at that real fast. If not exactly what I meant to check. What was that? Huh. Oh, that's good to know. Um, is this where I'm supposed to define stuff? Defines. If I use flat. Yeah, because this defines something that is not what I want. If I remove that. There we go. Can I do like 0? So this is not flat. Okay. And then this is flat. Oh, it did work. This is flat. I need to make sure. And this is pointy. Yay, okay, perfect. So true and false did not work. Okay. How much? I've been streaming for almost 3 hours. Man, I disliked the show, but the music was good. This is from the Umbrella Academy. Creeps. Wait, did I really make the square? Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. You have creeps spawning around that you move your tower next to, or maybe even on top. Yeah, maybe that's how you claim a new creep. You put your tower on top, and then it drops into your sideboard. And then you can reorder them maybe. Is that a good idea? So those spawn all around. Maybe there's a limit to how many you can get. And then when you put maybe a couple next to each other, like 3, like a match 3 game, then it combines and then levels up. ShareX. It won't record. Oh, mine is not running. Let's see. Settings. If you go in your task, can you... Is this what... do you have like something set it? Like fixed duration, recording start after, FPS? What do you see in here? I have this as my settings here. Bitrate. Wow, that thing can do OCR. Wow. Hey, do you think this is the best idea? So, different creeps can spawn, and then you can move your tower around. You can drop a tower on it, and then you can claim the creep. But then, how do we balance the game? Like, should it always be the fastest player that gets it? Should they decay or stay in the game? And then when you claim one, it goes to your side. Then you can reorder them. And then maybe when you upgrade creeps enough, it becomes a tower that you can place. Or a path. Or is there a limit to how many you can have of each? Those though would be easy to change, like change decisions. We can try stuff and then see if it works. Okay, I think I'll end the stream here. I wanted to do more, but I gotta go eat. Yeah, but I like this sideboard now. If we do something interesting. Yeah, good night everyone. Okay, well, tomorrow what I really need to do is be able to draw a path, be able to destroy the path, be able to, okay, maybe not in one day, but movement, be able to make the creeps go from one X to the next. Okay, I'll do it. I'll add this right now to the to-do. Oh shit, we're working. Things are moving. Oh, you're already doing that. Nice. Line. Line method. What is this? Is this to draw the line? Did I move that or did you? Wow, that was cool. The way it popped in. Okay, movement. Creep movement between two hex. Creep movement along path. Oops. Path placement. Oh wait, this is on hold. Oops. Okay, you put that on hold. Okay, I see. I think I'll move this back to the end here on hold. Perfect. Okay. Path placement, creep movement, tower. Placement. Tower placement, that could be in the UI. When you have unplaced towers, you could put them there. Then you can see them pop in, and then you're able to drag them in. Or like just select them and move them. Could there be a strategy, like, do those, maybe the creeps don't spawn. Maybe everyone starts with a certain amount of creeps, and then you can trade creeps with other players. So you can drag a creep from here into the board, and then someone else can claim it. Could it be a strategy, like you could use creeps to block paths or something, or block? Well, maybe that's weird. Like you put something on the board that takes aggro away from your path. That could work, right? So you have your path and then you put a couple creeps along to make sure that enemy towers target those first. And they don't move, but they could be tankier. That's something that is worth considering. Yeah, whatever. Okay. We're able to move things in archive, right? Can I select more than one? I wish I could. Okay, good. Okay, so tomorrow that's what I do. Whoops, tower placement. Oh no, okay, I moved the column back over there. So path placement comes first. Tower placement, creep. I think creep is more interesting than towers. I'm trying to understand how creeps can upgrade. Does a creep upgrade when it reaches the end of a path, then it comes back and then it's upgraded? Or do you upgrade when you have like 3 in a row and then it upgrades? Or like something, or like things that... Like we want the game to be fast paced, like really smooth. Possibility of like... yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'll think about that. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you tomorrow. And also, here's my Discord link. No, I should make a comment here. Do I have a Discord? Huh. That's hype. Okay, anyway, yeah, thanks for watching and peace.